UK fried chicken. You need to sort out your tires, brother. I was looking at man like he wants to do man something like, do it.
Brum biker, yeah, na 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 na. This is a Brum biker, Brum rider. Give your bike a rev, then put down your visor.
We're outside again. Yaga yo, we're outside again. Yeah, family. We're just gonna have a little cruise around the East Birmingham side again. If you're new to the channel, don't forget like, share, comment, subscribe. We want to get these numbers up to 1,000 subscribers. So if you can, do me a favor, do a quick share, drop a comment. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know where you want me to go. So yeah, let's do it. But yeah. Yeah, when you're coming over these sides, you do not want to be doing it in your car. Alright, trust me. Not at all, not at all, not at all. Bike is much better, man. Too much traffic, man. I can see that there's people walking out, so I'm going to do it as gentle as possible, get myself tucked in. There we go. Boy, so the sun's coming out, man. It's a nice day actually. I did not say you could go, my friend. I did not say that. So why are you putting your hand up? You know, it makes me laugh when people do that, you know, they just put their hand out and just move. In other words, mine. You know what I mean? I swear that if he was gonna ask me, you know, they said, yo, my brother, do you take card? Man would have probably just drew out a card reader to write it, come mess up my dance. But yeah, family, what have you been up to, man? What have you done over the bank holiday, man? Have you done any ride-outs? Yeah, I couldn't, man. Commitments and all of that. Ooh, temperature arise. Let's have a look. Oh. Okay, so couldn't even see the blasted lights. But as we move, tight Washwood Heath. look at all this traffic, man. You know someone not waiting and all of that. Be on your P's and Q's when it's busy, man. my man's fully like, yo, ain't letting no bike go in front of me, man. Who's phoning my phone, man? Hello? Yo, this traffic is crazy. Forget to them turn it into a bus lane and bike lane. So we're Gucci over here, man. Yeah, traffic up here is absolutely ridiculous, mate. It's crazy. UK fried chicken. You need to sort out your tires, brother. I was looking at man like he wants to do man something like, do it. Mate, you know the levels of the council digging up the roads? That's if it is the bloody council anyway, man. I don't know what they're doing, man, but why? Where's all this traffic coming from, man? And do you know what? To get round it on a road like this, I don't know about all of that. So we're just gonna go with the flow. Nice slow cruise. Alum Rock. Nah, this road is too much. This road is not. This bike is not built for this road, man. Telling you. Was that a whole school? What? Okay family, that was just a little ride down Washwood Heath Road up to Alum Rock Road again. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. We out.